Hello. Yeah. Hello, everyone. My name is Elisha Grace Buyagan, all the way from Kalinga, your newly promoted sales master. Okay, so me being an only child, it was without a doubt that I became the personal assistant of my parents. Of course, walang pay yun, no? They started their journey with Atomy a few years back, and is currently the center head of Kalinga Cap Center. So, without a question din naman, I also started my journey with Atomy alongside with them. But honestly, I wasn't really interested at all. For me, I was just a child who wanted to help my parents succeed in their business. So in helping, that would mean me assisting in fixing the chairs before a one-day seminar, or me assisting in setting up Zoom meetings in the center. And that would also mean me forcing myself to attend either meetings or seminars, just in case my parents would need my assistance. But eventually, I actually started to listen to them. Little by little, I realized how Atomy is as a business. It isn't just about earning. It was about helping other people be more of themselves and succeed more in their lives. It was about having best of the best products and sharing them to those who need it. It was about building a relationship with others based on trust, love, and shared growth. So, I saw how my parents started to put their hearts into the center, not just to earn, but to uplift others. I saw how its members started to have blessed lives, and they started to share it to others as well because they want them to experience the same blessed life that they experienced with Atomy. And I realized, yun yung gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. I wanted to help them, I wanted to be there not just as a helper, but as a leader. So I started to apply the system. I started taking down notes. I started to ask questions to my higher sponsors. I started to participate, and I started to listen. And eventually, here I am, standing here in front of you as a newly promoted sales master. And that would have never been possible without the help of my higher sponsors. Ma'am Claire, Sir Gian, Ma'am Dixie, Sir Sen, and to Ma'am Christian, thank you for teaching me how important it is to learn, to sacrifice, and to realize how important it is to be an example to others. Thank you to my team, and of course, thank you to Lord, because without this, nothing would have been possible. I stand now here in front of you, not just to follow the footsteps of my parents, but to set as an example to the youth, to represent the power of second-hand leadership, and to represent the heart of Kalinga. Once again, my name is Elisha Grace Buyagan. Proudly Kalinga, proudly Atomian.